guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are having a great day so far. If you guys are new, please subscribe. I post every other day as much as possible. I've been trying to post a little bit more since my school's over, and right now, as you guys know, I'm doing my K-Swap, so just resuming back. Gotta remove this and start degreasing the engine bay. As you can see, it's super empty. So I'm gonna go ahead, carefully remove the deck lid, and then it's not even bolted on. I'm just because it's taking up too much for space. So just gonna go ahead and degrease everything, spray it liberally, and yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and take this off and hopefully get this all shined up because the motor is looking nice and shiny. Also doing the valve cover, but ooh, oh yeah, that looks real good. So got the cams, chassis sitting there, but yeah, go ahead and take this off now. Alright guys, so last time I did the engine swap, I actually did clean out, this area and stuff, but I never cleaned this area, so I'm really happy I am. I'm going to go ahead and put the Mitch Auto Parts motor mounts in, just the side brackets, and that's going to make it a lot easier for when I'm dropping the motor in. So go ahead and do that right now. I already removed the old motor mounts, and so it's going to work out perfect. Alright guys, so to put the last mount on, it's this subframe one. This thing is nasty, honestly. Yeah, I guess it was leaking some training fluid or something. I don't know what's going on here. Some stuff caked on, but I'm gonna go ahead and degrease everything on this thing, and then degrease it, and then spray it like crazy. So yeah. Guys, look at that, super clean, glossy. I'm not sure why it's yellow over there, maybe because of the heat from the headers and stuff, but I did want to say that this is aside from the back that you do see. So, and even I did clean this side too, just because I wanted to, really caked on there. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and wrap the tranny mounts around here, and it'll be pretty easy. Alright guys, I really like how for this mount, it's like, I really like how for this mount, it wraps around the subframe like that. I think it's much more sturdy that way. Yeah, but I heard that the subframe like bends on these because it is wrapped around like that for that more power and stuff, but still it like warps these subframes a bunch. So that's, you've got to get the fourth mount kit, which goes into the firewall. So I did put that in. I'm gonna go ahead and show you the ones in the engine bay right now.